So our company is WexEnergy, and we help building owners reduce their operating expenses with a very easy to install window retrofit.
It's like adding another pane of glass to an existing window. What we're trying to deliver with that is cost savings for building owners or ultimately homeowners.
Up to 50% of your heating and cooling dissipates right out the window. That's literally money right out your windows. As a planet, as a community, we need an affordable window retrofit solution that is quick, easy, and cost-effective.
WexEnergy participated in a NextCorps program called Hardware Scaleup.
They helped us bring in an automation expert who could help us look at what do we need to do from where we are today to fully automate production so that we can reduce our cost of production.
WexEnergy took part in 4 or 5 projects that were supported financially by the Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Each one of those projects led to either additional equipment being developed and processes developed at our contract manufacturer, as well as our ability to bring in an outside company who does automation, that is manufacturing automation, for their day job, something that WexEnergy does not have the expertise in. That company was able to look at what we were doing and give us a very good idea of what should it cost for WexEnergy to manufacture its products. That information of what it should cost is extremely important as we are talking to investors, because now the investor has confidence that WexEnergy isn't just a startup, but it's a company that knows not only what it's doing today, but where it can go in the future. The Manufacturing Extension Partnership, if you ask, did something move the dial for WexEnergy? That was it, because we made so much progress in such a short period of time. If we hadn't had that support, we'd probably still be figuring out how we were going to manufacture window skins. The guidance for how to proceed down this path has been extremely valuable to us.